Hey guys, welcome back. E-Man Deluxe Outdoor Garage. Still plugging away here. Hey, I got another bottle. This time I got the big boy. So I had to pay up for that, but I got a credit back from the small bottle. So no more frequent trips. Anyway. So here I am. Got a little time to kind of pick away at this. It's kind of like my jig. This is all set. I got it all marked out. Okay, that's how it goes back. Just gonna start by cutting. I don't want to take this whole thing apart. I got a lot of good metal up in here, so I'm not gonna take as as little as I can away. I stopped here because there's some spot welds on this side, so I don't want to cut through that. All right, everybody. This is step one. Cut it. Want to see it from the inside? Ah, it's so nice to not have that support in there. Okay. That's the inside. Drill those spot welds out. So as you can see, this is where I'm going to have to make a spot, or patch here and finish this stuff up. So this way. There you go. There's that. There it is. Not that bad. Add it to the bucket. Alright, so yeah. Here's the old piece. Here's the new one. And we're going to slice away some of this material. I don't need all this. Cut a little away and see how it fits. Maybe cut a little bit more away. So far I just cut this side and it's already fitting a little better. This bend was not perfect. It's pretty close though. Pretty happy with it. I'm going to be able to take a little bit more out of this, and I could take a bunch out of here. So I'm going to keep playing with this. But yeah, so far it's not bad. Alright, welcome. Yep, you're here with me. I'm getting ready to install this panel. Beautiful Friday afternoon. Coming along. The ice is starting to melt. That means warm weather is right around the corner. We gotta get on this car. It's gotta be on the road. Just like that. Alright, so this is the first side. I don't know if I'm going to be making any changes on the passenger side, but so I got it just where I want it. My marks on the threaded rod. Mine up here. So everything's in position right where it's got to be. And I'm just gonna. I got a couple clecos starting here because I got to kind of draw this material in and start it here. I got to work, kind of beat on this metal a little bit to get it to fit better. Let's see. Let me set you up right here. You can watch a minute. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Okay. get like a cleco here and there just to hold it. All right, so yeah, just gonna keep doing that. It's kind of drawing it in. All right, let's get some welding done. Be back in a minute. All right, everybody, I just gotta say I'm real happy with this. Yeah, I was kind of dreading this procedure, this patch, but it was really a breeze. You want to see it from the inside? There it is. There's all the spot welds coming across like that. So now I just need to patch. Just blend this in with that. And, I don't know. That's about it. Yeah, I have a handful of patches to still make, but just kind of showing you what's left in. I've been on this little kick lately where I want to, you know, kind of celebrate and have a tasty beer. And I was looking at the beer section, and I said, this one looks good. Victory Brewing Company. So let's have a winter cheer tonight. All right, flip side A over onto side B. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey, so as I look forward to finishing the interior, I'm thinking about carpet, and I'm gonna go ahead and purchase a TMI carpet kit, probably from CIP1. So I have 3 color option I'm thinking of. And I ended up, you know, pulling this piece out of the Beetle, and some of the corners show, you know, the real original color. I'm not trying to match it 100%, but I just wanted to show you guys that these were in the door cards as well. This is like a German square weave, I think it is. This is really expensive to try to match, but I'm not looking for perfection here. So but you can actually go on TMI's website and you can order for free. They'll send you up to 5 swatches, free shipping. So I ended up going with this, which is oatmeal tan, I think it's called. And they come with the numbers right on the back of them, what swatch it is. So that's one. I got another one here. This one is salt and pepper, which is a little too silver. I don't really want that one. I think I'm going to end up going with this one. This is charcoal. And because I get 5, I was like, I'll just get them. But these are the interior. This is the interior for my bus. That's going to be. I already actually did the seats. I did the seats, they're complete up in the attic. There's that, and this is another interior color for the bus. So just a heads up, if you know, you can get 5 swatches from TMI for free. So check that out. All right, moving on to the passenger side. Got this thing tacked in here. I got my location just right, and this is how it goes. Just drilled these spot welds out. Simple as that. Just like the other side. Yeah, this side, a little different scenario. Because of this repair, got some material missing in here. There was more rust over here, so this side probably gonna go ahead and just use the whole piece. Maybe just buzz off this corner here, because this one fits a lot better. So I'm gonna work with that. Okay, here we go. And this piece is ready to go. I didn't film much of the prep. You guys saw it on the first half, driver's side. This one I ended up leaving some more material on this side. I think I already said that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with these panels. They fit really well. So let's weld this thing in. Get in position here. Not much room out here, but man, it's a beautiful day. It's probably 40 degrees, but that sun hitting this white tarp, it's getting hot in here. Sorry for the noise. The wind's kicking up. Welcome to my outdoor garage, right? There has been times out here where this thing was like a balloon. It was insane. Gotta open the door here. Get some air in here. Jesus. So I want to share with you some of the experience I've had with some of the welding, I don't know, techniques or just experiences that I've come across. I don't know if it's my welder or what, but you know, as you're playing with the settings and trying to learn the heat and different welds, one thing I've learned for the most part, it actually started when I was doing the floor pans, is I have to turn the heat up and the feed up on my gun when I'm doing these. I might have already said that before, but as I go along, I actually do a few and I stop, and I just kind of get like a chisel or something. I just double check all these, because the other side, the driver's side panel I did, I would say out of all of the welds that I did, probably about 95% of them stuck. I think out of all of these I did, maybe 3 didn't really make, you know, make that contact. So I do a few. I don't do the whole thing, because I've made that mistake before with the floor pans. You know, I did a whole floor pan. I got so frustrated where I did the whole thing, and I mean, I don't even know, maybe 5 of them held. So that was enough to make me turn the camera off and just think about it for days. So if you're watching this and you're trying to learn from mistakes or whatever experience, you're gonna make mistakes, and you're gonna learn from your mistakes, just like anything. So just want to share that with you. Hey guys, there you have it. There is my rear wheelhouse tower mount, I guess you call it. Just cut this free. There it is. Little grind. Treat this all these welds, and moving on. Moving on. I'm gonna fill all this stuff in now. So what do we got left? I know you guys are probably getting tired of seeing me welding. I want to move on to something else soon, but I am having fun welding. What do I have left? I have that repair to do. That's going to be fun. I have all the fender welds to finish up. These guys here. This side's a little worse. I don't know if you remember seeing this side. You just got to go one by one, and then I got to. Yeah, this is going to be interesting too. So, I guess that's it for today. Alright, I wanted to share with you guys. This is my baby. This is my daily driver. 2003 Honda CR-V. Got 180,000. I've had it for 9 years. And it's tired. It is such a good car. And I hate to get rid of it, but it's time for it to go. So this week I bought this. It's going to be my daily driver. 2009 Prius. Maybe I just turn this on and show you around a little bit. Let me go inside. Alright, so we're inside. So currently I'm driving about 75 miles one way, so 150 miles a day to work. And needed a new daily driver, and kind of had an old mechanic tell me that these things, you can't kill them, and they're just an amazing car. So I checked them out, and it's not registered yet, but I love this thing. I'll take you for a little spin down the road. This thing's always telling you where the power is coming from, and put it in drive. It came up to a bridge that was closed. Yeah. And the engine shut completely off. It does that from time to time. I guess you go through front tires pretty quick.